Now we're multiplying polynomials. And what I like to think about on this one is that we have a couple different problems going on. First we have ones like number 1, where we have 5x squared times this polynomial. So this term times this term will give us a new term. This term times that term will give us another term. So it's like there's 3 things. So let's just start from there. So 5x squared times x to the third is 5 times 1 is 5. X squared times x to the third is x to the 5th. Now there's some people who get a little confused there, so I'm going to pause and switch out of this for a second. What is happening there? That is 5 times x squared, so that's x, and the 2, the x squared tells me that there's 2 of them, times x to the third. See, there's 3 of them. So when I multiply those together, it's 5 times how many x's? It's 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So when we're multiplying, if you look, that exponent is a 5, and it's like we added those exponents together. So we're multiplying these polynomials, but those exponents get added in that process. All right, so second part, so 5x squared times negative 6x, 5 times a negative 6 is negative 30, and x squared times x is x to the third. Power of 2 plus a power of 1 gives me a power of 3. There's my answer. This has like 3 parts to it, so I'm using a triangle to identify those. So I can go, well, that looks like 1. Let's see, switch colors. This looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So I'm calling those square problems 4 terms. So what happens here? Well, here we're going to distribute or multiply. So here I've got this whole polynomial times this one. And the analogy I was using was like it's a wrestling match from the 90s. There's like 2 people on a tag team fighting 2 people on another tag team. Well, in those, this person would fight this person. So 2x times x is 2x squared. And then that person would end up turning around and fighting the other person later. So 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. And then in this match, the partner would be fighting that person second. So 5 times x is 5x. And then they'd be fighting the other person too. So basically everyone fights everybody. So 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. Then we combine like terms, squared, nothing else like it. Negative 12x plus the 5x is a negative 7x, and then minus 30. Done. Okay, same idea on this one. It's like there's 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm multiplying. This person fights this guy, so x squared times 3x is 3x to the third. This person will fight that person also, so x squared times plus 2 is a positive 2x squared. And their partner is going to trade off and also fight those same people, or wrestle those same people. So negative 4x times 3x, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and then x times x is x squared. Then we got negative 4x times 2. Negative 4 times 2 is a negative 8. Don't forget that x. Combine like terms. There's no other x to the third. There are 2 of those with x squared. So 2 minus 12 is negative 10 x squared, and that is by itself. Ooh, this one looks weird. What's happening there? Oh, Sermon is trying to trick you. So, this square means that there's 2 of them. So, I'm going to write it twice. 2x to the 4th times 2x to the 4th. Oh, now this problem looks like that one. So, don't be tricked. That's what's happening. So I'm going to distribute 2x times 2x. That's 4x squared. And then 2x times 4 is a positive 8x. Then 4 times the 2x is a positive 8x. And 4 times the 4 is a positive 16. We're going to combine like terms. There's no other x squareds, but there are ones with x that we can combine. So 8 plus the 8 is a positive 16. Don't forget the x, and then a positive 16 at the end. Okay, oh, this one also has 4. Got quite a few of these in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 terms. So this person's going to battle that person, 12x squared. They're going to battle this one, so 3x times 1 is just 3x. Second person battles, so negative 7 times 4x is negative 28x. And negative 7 times 7, or sorry, negative 7 times 1 is just negative 7. Combine like terms, that's by itself 12x squared. These can combine because they both have an x at the end, so 3 minus 28 is negative 25. Don't forget the x, and then negative 7 at the end, and we're done with that one. This one has 1, 2, 3 parts, so it's like our first one. 1, 2, 3 terms, using a triangle to represent those. And I realized I forgot my square in this one. Take that one for granted. So here I've got 3x times 7x to the 4th. So 3 times 7 is 21. X to the power of 1 times x to the 4th is x to the 5th. Be careful. Then 3x minus 4, 3x times a negative 4, really, is a negative 12x. We're done with that one. Next problem, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one battles this one. 6 times 5 is 30. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 6x squared times a negative 2x is negative 12x to the 3rd. 8 times a 5x squared, 8 times 5 is 40, x squared. Then 8 times negative 2x is negative 16x. Let's combine like terms. Oh wait, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. What? We're done. Nice. I like that one. This one looks odd. Oh, but there's still 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3x to the 3rd times x is 3x to the 3rd first, so that's a 4. 3x to the 3rd times a negative 1 is negative 3x to the 3rd. Then 4x times x is a 4x squared. And then 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. And another one that I like, all the exponents are different, so there's nothing to combine. We're done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but that's weird though. Here we have 2 next to each other and 2 next to each other. So this one kind of looks like the first one mixed with the second. This one's weird, so we're going to put a circle around this guy. Let's see what happens. So I've got 8x squared times that. 8 times 4 is 32. X squared times x to the 3rd is x to the 5th. Then I've got 8x squared times a negative x. So that 8 times a negative is negative 8. X squared times x to the 1st is x to the 3rd. And then 8x squared times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. X to the 2nd, x to the 2nd. So that's a different type of looking problem. Here we have this like box thing going on. Everyone like boxes each other, or like that boxes each other. Here it's odd. It's like this one but further or extra. But we're done. No like terms to put together. Keep going. Let's not get tricked by this one. That squared means that there's two of them. So 3x to the fourth times 3x to the fourth. And now this looks like, say like number 2, but really looks like number 4. All the boxes are the same now. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. 4 times 3x is 12x. And 4 times 4 is 16. Do we need like add like terms? Yep, the x and x. So 9x squared plus 12 is plus 24x. And then 16 is by itself. Okay. Ooh, danger, Will Robinson. Okay, there's a lot going on here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is definitely one of those weirder ones. Alright, let's be careful. There's two things in the front. So this thing is going to battle that guy, and that one. Alright, so 3x squared times 2x squared is 6x to the fourth. 3x squared times 6x is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. X squared times x is x to the third. And then 3x squared times 1 is just 3x squared. Now let me be strategic on this one. I'm going to write it in a slightly different way than I did the previous ones. I've got negative x squared, because I'm running out of room. Negative x times 2x squared is negative 16x to the third. This guy's going to battle everybody. So 8x times 6x is a negative 8 times 6 is a negative 48x squared. And then negative 8x times 1 is just negative 8x. So I wrote it different like that because I was going to run out of room, but I also put them in columns so it would help us because I knew what was happening. So combine them, power of 4 goes at the front. Then look, I put the line that the thirds up on purpose, so 18 minus 16 is a positive 2. I put the x squareds together, so 3 minus the 48 is minus 45. And then that's by itself at the end, that stays. So there is your answer. I like that way a lot. Alright, you can tell right away, 1, 2, 3 parts. So distribute, multiply really. So 4 times the 7 is 28. X to the third times x to the fourth is x to the seventh. Then distribute, so 4 times the 9 is 36, and x to the third is just x to the third. 3 more, we're almost there. Ooh, doozy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red alert. So let's go distribute this times this times this times this. So x to the third times 6x to the third is 6x to the sixth. X to the third times 2x is a positive 2x to the fourth. Then x to the third times negative 3 is negative 3x to the third. Glancing at it as I continue, I don't think we're going to get these to match up nicely. So this guy battles this one. So 3 times the 6 is 18. Add 18. And that's x to the third. Ooh, I should wrote that right here. And then 3 times 2x is a positive 6x. And then 3 times the negative 3 is a negative 9. Alright. So I didn't write these in nice columns, so I'll make sure I don't make any mistakes. Biggest power at the front, so 6x to the sixth. Next, plus 2x to the fourth. These combine because they both have x to the third. Negative 3 plus 18 is a positive 15. Don't forget x to the third. Then I've got 6x minus 9. Done. I think that's the toughest one left. Number 14. 1, 2, 3. So distribute. 9 times the 6 is 54. X squared times x to the third is x to the fifth. 9 times negative 5 is negative 45. X squared, just x squared. Alright, first glance, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one of our normal box type questions. There's 4 things going on there. I'm just going to distribute here and there. So 5x squared times 3x squared, 15. X squared, x to the fourth. 5x squared times negative 5. 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. And it has x squared, nothing at the end. Okay. Now we've got 2 times 3x squared. So that is a positive 6x squared. And then 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. I wrote that one kind of in columns again. I saw it coming. So biggest exponent at the front, 15x to the fourth. These I'm going to combine to negative 34x squared. And I've got a negative 16 at the end. All right.